So what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make money by just watching videos online, and this is actually 100% legit. So just to prove that this is legit, you could see right here this coin called Chingari network is in CoinGecko. So you could see that this coin has a platform in which helps you earn this coin by watching videos, by posting videos, by liking and also following people in the platform. So I'm going to show you the platform in a short while. So if I just go right here right now, you could see you can earn 1 coin for views, 1 coin for comments, and to share a person's content you can earn up to 5 coins, and you see to follow someone you could earn up to 10 coins. So let's say you watch up to 500 videos from the platform in a day times 0.05. You could see that you can earn up to $25 by just doing that. So let me just take you through the whole process on how to start up your account and everything. First thing you want to do is that you want to go on to Play Store and type in Chingari. Hang on to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to unlock and how to start earning from the platform. So after doing that, you could see my own. I've already installed it, so it's telling me to update. I'm not going to be doing that yet. So all you just have to do now is scroll. I'll get the app, open it up. App is just like TikTok exactly. You see different video, watch different. Is that you click on this button right here, these 3 lines, and then click on that and click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, you are going to choose if whether you want to open an account with your number or you want to use another method. So I'm going to use another method right here, and I'm going to click on Google. Continue with Google. So I'm just going to use my this particular account right here, and when you just have to click on that, you could see that mine has showed up. You click on view profile right here, you could see that I actually have no video yet uploaded. You could see right here is just everything. This how it looks like. So now if you want to start earning from this app, all you just have to do is on the earning potential of the app. Wallet and new. So you say be part of the creator economy. All you just have to do now is click on activate. So when you click on activate, it brings you to this page where you're going to see the just move, and you see the ask you to create your secure pin. So I'm just going to create mine right here, and then you re-enter the pin. After I click on set pin, it asks you to put in your security questions. So I'm just going to put that right there, and then click on save my answer. After that, you can see that your Chingari wallet has been activated and earn up to 50,000 Chingari token daily. So all you just have to do is click on activate mining. Now this activate mining has to do with watching videos and doing other stuff in order to earn money. So right here you could put your invitation code, maybe if someone referred you. So I'm just going to leave my referral code in the description below so that you could use it if you wish. So we're just going to hit on skip this, and after hitting on skip that, it takes us, it says something is wrong, but don't worry, that's just how it does. And then click on continue to Chingari mining. So you could see that in this particular part right here, you could mine Chingari. So you could see all the activities you should be doing. First, video created, it is going to show up here. Login streak is going to show up here. Video watch, every other single thing right here, anything you do is going to show up right here. So I'm just going to go back right now, and right now you could see that this is my wallet, and you could see right there that is showing up $0. So in this particular part, all you just have to do is come back home. You have to watch the videos till the end, and after watching them to the end, you scroll, you've earned this thing, and if you love them, you've also earned Chingari. So that's how this actually works. And at the end of the day, after everything, they are going to send you your the amount of gari you've received. Is going to show up here. Let me log into my main account where I've earned a little bit of this gari so that I could show you exactly everything. You could see that I've earned about 0.8 gari and it's worth 0.05 dollars. So you could see I don't normally watch a lot of videos, but I'm going to start using it a lot to watch videos. I was just using it to try out affiliate marketing. So you could see right here, if I go to my transaction history, you could see right here that the amount of this thing I've mined in a day 0.02, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So you could see how much it is. So anything you mine, anytime you mine, they send you your reward. So that's how this platform works. And if you want to withdraw your money, what you're going to do is that you are going to click on send. And after you've clicked on send, all you just have to do is put in send to wallet. So when you click on send to wallet, you are going to complete your KYC verification first before you are able to do this. So when I've reached a threshold to send, then I'm going to show you exactly how to complete KYC verification. So that's it for this video. You could just go ahead right now and start making money with this. So without any further ado, thanks guys, and if you love this video, make sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.